That's pretty funny, girls.
He's really sad today. He's really sad today.
Nope, now he's happy. Now he's sad.
Now he's happy.
Now he's happy.
He's so good. It's magic.
Now he's sad.
Now he's happy.
Sad. Sad.
He's sad most of the day.
Oh, that's pretty funny, girls. All right, come on.
Okay.
Leave him alone.
Magical
Magic,
donkey.
magic donkey. Sad. You stay sad.
Happy.